Henan Dakang Boiler Co. Ltd is an enterprise specializing in the production and sales of boilers and pressure vessels. Welcome to contact us. 861327163767. Our main products include gas-fired boilers, oil-fired boilers, electric boilers, biomass boilers, coal-fired boilers, steam boilers, hot water boilers, thermal oil boilers, steam generators, hot air boilers, drinking water boilers, steam separators, water distributors and collectors, enamel reaction kettles, stainless steel reaction kettles, and other related products. New and existing customers are warmly welcome to visit and inspect our factory for guidance and communication.